there you go. Just thought I'd let you hear the little 350 exhaust. It's hard to hear because of the powder coaters next door, got the ovens on. That's a bit more like it now she's warmed up. She was cold, so first time she started today. Customers coming to pick it up, so I thought I'd share that with you. So if you want a 4-in-1 for your 350, your 400, your 500, your 550, your 750 single, your 750 double, give me a shout at carpiececaferaces.com. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.